Hello. It is a Saturday morning here in beautiful Taj Beach. We have a very nice few days coming up. I'm pretty determined to take the boat out. I do like coming into this harbour. It's like, can you pull that fender? Just like pull it in. Thanks. You don't have to fake it.
Hey, hello beautiful. Been so close to a bird of prey.
I haven't.
It's fascinating.
If there's food, he's worried another bird might come and steal it from him. So he opens his wings like that and covers it so they don't see it. He likes to land into the wind, and there's not much wind, so he was figuring it out.
See, you're a natural. I don't know what she's saying. We are here at a Mexican restaurant trying to explain what chili fries are. French fries, chili con carne, but they kept on trying to put the chili on a potato. And I'm like, no potato. Chili on the fries. And they're like, how do you want your potato cooked? See, archway. Salsa's doing a maze. It's very complicated. Algebra is involved, science,
Compasses.
navigation, geography, physics.
All of it.
Will she make it to the end? Can she find her way out of the maze? Remarkable. It's really very windy out here, and the nice people at the marina actually came out because I have 1, 2, and they came out and added a third to just make sure the boat doesn't swing back. Good morning. It's a bit of an overcast day here. Last few days have been incredibly windy. I mean, like 30, 35 knot wind gusts. So I've had to reconfigure the boat a bit. I've taken the bimini down, and I've taken the little cover and just put it over that area because there's no rain, but I just don't want stuff flapping around up there. And then I had to build this little thing here. When you step on it, it goes down. You have to lift it off because otherwise it just scrapes and bangs the whole time. But I had to pull the boat forward about, I don't know, a meter and a bit to just stop it drifting back, because when you get a really big gust of wind, it's probably a several 100-kilogram force on the boat pushing it backwards. And it did actually, this bit down here was already broken from Italy. If you remember, I got food poisoning and the wind changed and the boat was lifting up and slamming so hard into the water that it broke the dive deck back there. I was going to be going back to help someone bring a boat back over, but they've sort of drifted off the radar right now, so that's not happening unless I hear in the next couple of days. Then there's also the editing that I was going to be doing, which involves the same person, and that's also just seemed to have gone poof, which just, you know, freelance. It's like some things just come and go, and there you have it. But I was really looking forward to that because I'm good at that, and I don't know, I was just looking forward to it. My friend Sarah left yesterday morning. She had a wonderful time. We didn't get to go out in the boat. We went on the dinghy, but we didn't go out in the boat because it was just too windy out there. Hey! Are you having fun yet? Are you thinking of buying a dinghy? And I mean, it's not that it's unsafe, it's just not as pleasant as it could be. So we elected to not take the boat out and just went and did museum, art gallery type stuff. I've been meaning to do that since I've got here, but haven't, because it's not really fun going around a museum by yourself. I mean, I've done it, but it's just, I'd rather do it with someone. So that was fun. I don't have any other guests planned to get here now. It's just me in the boat and you guys. So thanks very much, and I'll talk to you again soon.